The Senate Impeachment Court has accomplished more in 1 week. As you have noticed, we have already convened as a court, which is the most important thing. This means that the impeachment proceeding is already continuing. We also issued the summons to the Vice President as the respondent, and also we issued orders for compliance for the House of Representatives, including the issuance of orders affirming the application of Resolution 39 or the Senate Rules on Impeachment and the supplementary rules that will apply in the impeachment process. We also received on Monday the notice of appearance ad cautelam from the defense lawyers of the respondents. So all of these things we have accomplished in 7 days. So when you see it, there is no foot dragging that has been happening or has been claimed by the parties. We have been expecting the communication from the House of Representatives and the House prosecutors as to the compliance that they have been talking about in the press conference and media releases that they have been doing for the past 3 days. But as of now, 7 days have passed and there is no such formal notice or compliance that has been filed with the impeachment court. And as you can remember, there has also been a notice of appearance that was filed by the House prosecutors last February. However, this has been filed with the Senate as a legislative body. There has been no convening yet by the impeachment court at that time. So I think there has to be a need for them to refile that notice of appearance for the impeachment court to be notified. So all of these things we have been waiting for them to do, but instead of doing what they said they would be doing, they have instead spent their energy criticizing the impeachment court. And this is the first time that I have seen litigants question the court. And for lawyers like us, and I know the new spokesperson, Attorney Buko, is a very experienced litigator as well. So I suggest that they just spend their energy to doing what needs to be done, what needs to be filed, as they say that they will file, and instead of attacking the credibility of the impeachment court.
Sir, still about Attorney Bukoy, sa press con kahapon sinabi niya hindi na kailangan ng affirmation ng 20th Congress dahil nakalatag naman yung articles of impeachment. Hindi, yun muna sir. So wala nang kailangan daw na reso for affirmation ng 20th Congress. Yun yung pananaw nila.
As you can read the order of the impeachment court, ang nakalagay po doon, technically, no, hindi talaga siya affirmation or attestation. Ang nakalagay lamang po doon, communication from the 20th Congress. But how does the 20th Congress officially communicate to the upper house, which is the Senate acting as an impeachment court? Of course, this should be the formal communication that we're used to, such as the passing of a resolution. Or however it is that they want to do it, like for example, file again signed resolution from all of the majority of the House of Representatives congressmen. So these are the official communications that has been for them to comply, and the impeachment court has been waiting for. But the 20th Congress, of course, we need to wait for the creation of the 20th Congress until it is born.
So you stand by kailangan?
It's up to them whether or not to comply or not. But again, this is the order of the impeachment court, and any lawyer worth his salt and any litigant for that matter should comply first before you complain.
Sir, sabi niyo 7 days has passed, wala silang nasasubmit sa inyo, and particularly there is a need to refile notice of appearance. So are you saying sila yung nagdadrag, sila yung nagpapatagal dahil hindi sila nagsasubmit pa ng kahit ano?
As I said, actions speak louder than words at sa aming mga abogado, mas matimbang po ang ebidensya kesa sa mga salita. So tingnan na lamang po natin ng ebidensya. Ano po ba ang kanilang mga na-file na? Kahit po yung pagpapareceive nung ordinary notice of appearance lamang po ng depensa ay hindi pa po nila na-receive. Kung prepared na po sila mula pa ng Pebrero, katulad ng sinasabi ni Presiding Officer na what we have to do during this interim time that we are waiting for the convening of the court is to prepare. The Senate has already prepared for these matters. That's why merong nag-receive nung entry of appearance ad coetam nung defense lawyers. Pero sa kanila po, kahapon na itanong sa kanila kung bakit hindi ni-receive, imbis na sagutin po nila, hindi po nila sinagot. Dinivert po nila yung attention at sinabi na wala namang epekto o wala namang ganong mabigat na prejudice na mangyayari kung hindi nila i-receive. Kung ready po, dapat na i-receive. Dapat may opisina na itinalaga para mag-receive po. So it seems na hindi po yung impeachment court yung unprepared.
Sir, isa na lang for me. Attorney Bukoy pa rin, sabi niya kung makikita raw ng dating komposisyon ng Senado, yung ginagawa ng Senado ngayon, ikakahiya daw. Iba yung komposisyon noon, umaani ng respeto, walang patotsada. Ngayon yung actuation nila, maraming patotsada.
Ibabalik ko po, kapag kami po ay magkalaban ba o nasa ordinaryong korte, gagawin po ba yan at tatanungin pa rin po ba yan ni Attorney Bukoy sa media? Ganyan po ba ang pagkikriticize ng isang abogado sa isang korte? So, kung ako po, ikang sagot doon, hindi, then dapat hindi po ginagawa yung ganon. Kasi ano po ba ang motibo para i-criticize po ang impeachment court? You might not agree with the actions of the court, but it is still the court that has been vested by the Constitution with the power to solely try and decide impeachment cases. And dun pa lamang po dapat meron tayong pagrespeto at hindi po natin matanggal ang kredibilidad ng korte. So ano po motibo nila by criticizing the court? Dapat po yung energy po nila na pagkikriticize sa korte ay ginugugol nga po nila doon sa kanilang kalaban dahil hindi po nila kalaban ng korte. Ang kalaban po nila ay yung kabilang party, yung defense po. So, sabi niya po, formidable yung at mga respetableng mga abogado po yung nasa defense team. So, paghandaan na lamang po nila. At yun yung awayin po nila at wag po yung impeachment court.